I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If your Pinterest account has been suspended, don't worry, there are steps you can take to recover it. Step 1. Review Pinterest guidelines. Check Pinterest's community guidelines and terms of service to understand why your account may have been suspended. Familiarizing yourself with these rules can help you avoid future issues. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Prepare your account details, including your username, email address, and any relevant information about your recent activity on the platform. This will help when you reach out for support. Step 3. Contact Pinterest support. Visit the Pinterest Help Center and submit a support request. Provide all the necessary information you gathered in Step 2 and explain your situation clearly. Step 4. Check your email. Keep an eye on your email for a response from Pinterest. They may ask for additional information or provide instructions on how to proceed with your account recovery. Make sure to check your spam folder just in case. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you don't hear back within a few days, consider following up with another message to Pinterest support. Persistence can sometimes pay off, especially if you provide additional context or details. I hope these steps help you get your Pinterest account back up and running. Good luck!